It's officially our day 3 now here in Taipei, Taiwan. So for our activity for this morning or today, the whole day is we will be doing the North Coast tour. So this is quite new and different kasi instead of we will be going to book for a Klook tour, we will be doing the North Coast tour for a DIY today. Kasi kasama kasi siya sa Fun Pass. Kasi yung Fun Pass kasi natin guys, meron siyang unlimited ride, MTR, within Taipei. At saka meron din siyang mga unlimited ride, intercity buses. So we will be availing those benefits sa ating Fun Pass para bisitahin natin yung North Coast tour for today na DIY. So probably we'll be visiting Yelio Park, Shifen, at saka if may time pa tayo is yung waterfalls sa Shifen. So since ang ating hostel sa likod ko is near siya sa NTU Hospital, we will be taking the subway from NTU Hospital down to main Taipei Station, at Taipei Main Station. Kasi nandoon yung mga bus terminal going to Yelio Park. Nasa loob ng park na yan guys, yung NTU na station. Very strategic talaga yung aming hotel. Upon exiting, arriving in Taipei Main Station, you have to exit M2. Tapos hanapin nyo yung Kukwang Bus Taipei Terminal. Dito siya. Ayan. That's the bus terminal, but let's figure out kung paano tayo makarating dyan. Yan guys, nakita nyo yung M2 Civic Building or Kukwang Bus Terminal Taipei. Dyan yung exit. Papunta sa bus ng Yelio. Eto na pala. Yan na. So, nasa bay number 5 siya. Ayan. So, papasok muna tayo dito sa kanilang terminal pala guys para kumuha ng ticket. And guys, so before hopping off the bus, you need first to get a ticket here sa kanilang ticket counter dito rin sa M2 exit ng Kukwang Bus Terminal. The fare is 99 NTD. Unfortunately, hindi siya kasama sa ating Fun Pass. It departed on time. After 1 hour and a half, we have arrived at the Yelio Geo Park. So may arrow daw, doon daw tayo pupunta. Sige, so walking distance pa siya going to the park. So from binabaan natin na bus kanina guys, nilakad lang natin over there. 700 meters lang siya going to the Geo Park. If you will see the signage guys, it means you are on the right track. Nandiyan na yung Yelio Geo Park. Ayun no, nakikita ko na yung parang rock formation. Yan guys, kung magkuklok kayo, yung bus nila is diretso na dito. Kasi dahil DIY tayo, nilakad pa natin yung almost kilometer from the bus station. Then, the ticketing office is there. Diyan tayo kukuha ng ticket. The ticket is free using our Fun Pass. This is the counter. So, if wala kayong ticket ready, ticket entrance fee is 120. Excuse me.
Go to entrance? Just go to entrance.
Okay. Di na kukuha ng ticket. Just go to entrance directly. If meron ka nitong Fun Pass. Thank you. Ayun na guys, doon na banda. You just walk the path galing sa entrance. Tapos straight ka lang dyan. Nandiyan na yung mga different type of shape formation. Yung famous na Queen's Head is also there. Ayun na guys, so hindi na ako pumasok. Kasi masyadong mainit. Baka hindi ko kakayanin. So nandiyan yung Queen's Head. You just have to go there. Yan. Tapos dito na yung banda yung exit o yung gift shop. So, let's just pass this way para lalabas. Unfortunately talaga, I'm not feeling well today because of the super tiring na lakaran kahapon. Yan, so, tapos parang lalagdatin tayo. When you exit, maraming mga kainan dito. Tsaka may bentahan ng mga souvenirs and pasalubong. So, according to my friend, dito daw yung may pinakamura ng mga souvenirs. Yan, tingnan natin. Taste? Can you open it? May taste sila, guys. Let us see. Is this the one?
No, that's a chocolate. This is different. This one is a chocolate. This one chocolate.
Okay.
This is Nongka.
So, meron siya ng pa-free taste. Tikman natin.
It's a chocolate. Masala.
Where is this?
This one. It's a chocolate.
How much?
Can include the pito limangdan.
It's 7 for 500, guys. So,
Can mix assorted.
800, 7 pieces. So, parang nasa 90 siya na 100
71.
NTD. Bili natin to. Okay. Meron din sila mga juice dito worth 35 NTD only. Philippines. Masarap, guys. For 35 NTD. So do not skip this area if you'll be going to Yelyu, because according to my friend who works here, dito yung may mga pinakamurang mga pasalubong so far. Of course, I attest to that because mura lang talaga siya compared sa nabili namin kahapon sa Siminding na. Yung isang box na puro mochi is tatlo siya 250. Dito 507 pieces. Imagine that. Mura lang talaga. Just like sa Macau, may mga free taste din dito, guys, ng mga food nila so that you can decide what to buy. Fairness, masasarap. Tingnan niyo yung comfort room, guys, dito. Ganyan yung kanyang tsura. However, sa kanila, may mga ganito din. No? So, kung saan yung preferred mo, doon ka. Ayan, guys. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish my vlog kanina sa Yelyu, sa North Coast. Kasi I have a high fever kanina. So, yeah. Umuwi talaga ako, guys, para mag-rest. So, right now is feeling better na tayo. And we are on our way to Rauhe Night Market. Kasi magsi-street food tayo doon. Lalalaban man rin. Pak? So from NTU Hospital, pababa tayo ng Zhongshan, papuntang Rauhe Night Market. Let's transfer line. Oh. Akyat. Ay, baba pala. So from here is bababa tayo. We will be transferring another station downstairs. And so we will be transferring to Zhongshan para sa ating Rauhe Night Market. This service terminates here. Rauhe Night Market, Exit 1. Exit 1, Rauhe Night Market. Ay, hayak. Hello, guys. Diyos ko, Lord. Yan, after exiting the exit 1, you walk here lang siya, guys, straight. Tapos, liko sa may kanan. 100 meters na siya. Papunta sa night market. When you see that structure. Ha? Yan, so, Rauhe Night Market. Sige, 10:30. Okay, so dito yung facade nila. Okay, ito na yung first natin na, first natin na business is the, dilita na pepper buns. Unahin natin na pepper buns. This is the fourth one. Michelin rated sila for today. One only. One? Yes. Ayan guys, na yung pepper bun. Ito yung pinunta natin dito talaga. Titikman natin itong Michelin rated na pepper bun. Ainit. Ang sarap. Along the way guys, nakita ko New Balance dito sa Rauhe Night Market. I need a new 3 pairs of shoes talaga guys. Kasi para sa travel natin next week sa United States. Ayan, nakabili ako ng shoes dito guys. Ang gaganda ng mga designs. Tag 3-2. Ayan, may tutu. Oh my gosh. Ito maganda oh. Dito lang siya sa may Rauhe. Mura lang siya guys. 1,800 yung nabili ko. Isa each. So 3,000. Parang nasa 3,500 yung dalawa. Ayan, let's go farther. May mga shoes din dito guys oh. 290 lang, 100. Ayan. Para siyang ukay. To the Rauhe Night Market stretches far over there pa. May naaamoy akong something na parang mabaho guys. So I think that's the stinky tofu. So of course, kahit na mabaho siya, titikman natin siya later. Hahanapin natin ito sa atin, baka kabili mo. Guys, they also have claw machine here. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko lang alam kung mag $39 na siya per paso. Yan guys, bumili ako ng king crab steaks. Ito. Nabili ko na ni ate. $150 and $80 for it. Ito na yung end ng Rauhe Night Market guys. Yan. So babalik tayo doon. Doon tayo sa kabilang side. Doon naman maghahanap na makakain. Next ating kakainin guys is Stone Barbecue. 4 na piraso is 100 NTD. That is around 180 pesos. I bought a braised beef noodle here. Yeah, perfect. Great one. Yummy. But guys, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, sarap siya guys. Ang tender ng beef. Sarap. Guys, hindi ko siya naubos kasi sobrang laki ng serving. So, tapos gusto ko na ng juice to close our appetite. The night market will start to close at 11 PM. So, hanggang 11 PM lang yung night market nila dito guys na open. So, kung gusto nyo pa mas ma-explore siya, agahan nyo. Mas try food is wait, saan siya?
Octopus nga.
Takoyaki?
Ito may lamit na sauce na. Ang sarap na.
Ito, dumangan yan, di ba?
Kanang buwan lang.
Yes, we're Philippines. That is the big pepper bar. Paano nila ginagawa? Pugon, parang pugon siya. That wraps up our Rauhe Night Market Tour. Lani, kamusta? Sarap ng food, no?
Oh, nalinaw ko.
Yeah. Actually, mas nag-enjoy kami dito compared sa Simending area. So, ang daming food. Sarap-sarap. Bye-bye, sir! Ayan, sa ngayon is uuwi na tayo. Nauna na yung ating 13 at 12 kabuok. So, tatlo na lang kami ng iwan nila, Ma'am Rabia. So, nauna na sila. So, uuwi na tayo. That wraps up our day 3 sa ating Taiwan trip.